HTML editors and HTML structure. Web pages can be designed and updated using advanced HTML editors. However, to learn HTML effectively, you can start with a basic text editor such as Notepad on Windows PC or TextEdit on Mac. How to open Notepad on Windows PC. Open the Start screen, then type Notepad and it will appear, and just click on it. Or Start plus R, then type Notepad and enter. How to open TextEdit on Mac. Open Finder, then Applications, then TextEdit. Or you can use your preference text editors to create it and modified HTML file, but I recommend use Visual Studio Code, which you can download and install for free and available for Windows, Linux, or Mac. To download Visual Studio Code, go to google.com and search for Visual Studio Code and click on the first link, then click on Download, then click on Windows, Linux, or Mac based on your operating system. For me, I use it on my Windows PC. Okay, now let's try your first HTML file. Open Visual Studio Code, then click on New Text File. Let's write some HTML code. To start your HTML document, you type less than mark, then exclamation mark, doctype HTML, then greater than mark to declare this is HTML document. An element in HTML contains the start tag and close tag. Okay, now let's start your HTML tag, which is the outermost tag. Don't forget an element should have start, or open, and end, or close. There are two important tags inside HTML tag. They are head and body. Let open the head tag, and don't forget to close it. Inside the head, we have a title tag, which is displayed on the browser title bar. Example, we put my first try, then don't forget to close title tag. The body tag. Most of the time we work inside the body tag. Let open the body tag and close the body tag. Inside the body tag, there are many tags available, but now let try H1, it mean heading level 1. And I put it as this is my heading, and don't forget to close it. Now let open another tag called paragraph P and type hello the world, this my paragraph inside the body tag. And you can copy and paste P tag and just add number 2 here. To save your HTML file, please click on Ctrl+S or File, then Save. For the file name, put whatever you want. Now I put my first page. And for the extension is .htm or .html. Let's go to the folder you saved your HTML file and right-click on it, then open with any browser. But I choose Google Chrome, or just double on it if the default program that open .html file is a browser or Google Chrome. Now let's check the result from your HTML code. My first try is the title you set in the title tag of your HTML code. This is my heading, is the H1 tag inside your body tag. And this is the first paragraph. And this the last paragraph inside your body tag. Let's summary what you have learned. To write your HTML code, you can use Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac, but I recommend Visual Studio Code. HTML structure is declare the document type as HTML by less than mark, doctype HTML, and greater than mark. Then open HTML tag and close it. Inside HTML tag, we have head tag and body tag. Inside head tag, we have title tag, which is displayed in browser title bar. Inside body tag, there are many tags available, which we will learn step by step later on. To save HTML file, we put .htm or .html. To view HTML file, we open it with any browser. Thank you. See you next video.